This is problem 4, section 4.2. Evaluate the definite integral by interpreting it in terms of areas. Integral 3 to 9 of 3x minus 15 dx. All right. So notice they're asking us to use areas. Then we have to answer interpreting it in areas. Very soon you will see how to find these integrals without resorting to geometry. But if the question specifically asks you to use geometry, then you must use geometry, okay? In terms of areas means you have to use geometry. So let's understand this function 3x minus 15. Well, y equals 3x minus 15 is a line. For a line, all you need are 2 points. But here I'm going to choose 3 points. First of all, which points? When x is 3, x is 9, and x is 3, x is 9, and I have found an x-intercept. When x is 5, plug in here 15 minus 15 I get. So that gets me an x-intercept. All right. You will see in a minute why I need it. But next, when x is 3, that's your lower limit, plug it in. 9 minus 15 is a negative 6. When x is 9, plug it in. 27 minus 15, that's a 12. So this is your picture, right? So let's understand this picture now. So I want to be able to figure this out. So on the top I have this curve goes to the top a little bit and bottom a little bit. So area under the curve is top area minus the bottom area. So what is the top area? Well, if I go from here to here, what is the area under that? What is the geometry there? That's that's a triangle. Likewise, what's the geometry here? That's another triangle. Okay. All right. So I got 2 triangles. Top triangle minus bottom triangle. Okay. Area of the top, right? Top triangle. It has base. So if that's the x coordinate 9, so this is 9 minus 5. Base is 4 here. From 5 to 9. Height is 12. So area of a triangle is half base times height. Half base times height. So that's 48. Half of that is 24. What about area on the bottom? Well, the x-intercept is 5, whereas this point corresponds to x equals 3. So 5 minus 3, 2 is the base, and height is 6. Even though it's negative, height of that triangle geometrically is 6. So half 2 minus 6. So 2 times 6, sorry. So that's 12 over 2, 6. So because it is a minus, that's where you have to subtract. You understand? So the answer is 24 for the top triangle minus 6 for the bottom triangle. So 24 minus 6 is what? 18. Okay, until next problem then.